We definitely got some snow here in the Panhandle of Florida. Me and Ollie are trying to stay warm. This is Dogwood Lakes Park, down here by Wrights Creek. Located in Holmes County. Go back in here in the woods. Check out this back way in to see the creek. Looks like I'm the only one that's been back here so far. I don't know. Well, somebody's been back here. Somebody walked back here. It's amazing what the snow does to the way things look. It doesn't even look like the same place at all. Like I'm up in the Smoky Mountains somewhere. I'm out here at Dogwood Lakes Bridge, Wrights Creek is what you're looking at. See the ice or the water running off the road from the snow melting, and it's refrozen or refreezing, hanging. You can see the icicles hanging down below, all the little drain holes on the bridge. So all this snow turn into slush gradually We'll be turning back to ice later on tonight on the highways and the roads and everywhere else, so that's still going to present a danger for us, because none of us are used to driving in this mess, and the roads are not treated, nor are the bridges. Ollie is not fond of the snow. He don't like it on his cold feet, I think. Here's another view of Wright's Creek here, going into the woods. Just beautiful. So quiet out here. It's typically quiet anyway. It's not a real busy road, but it's quieter. I'm assuming because of all the traffic not being on the road due to the ice. Just never seen anything like this in my life, and I'm almost 52 years old. And I mean, I've seen snow, but I've never seen snow in the South like this. We've had snow, but never this much. It's definitely very unusual, very beautiful. Ollie decided he was going to stay inside my jacket, which is a pretty warm spot. There he is, peeking out. Hey buddy, cold ain't it?